This robot cell depalletizes incoming pails, moves them through an inline process, and repalletizes them into finished unit loads. This reduces work in process, eliminates third-party and manual handling, and creates consistent pallet-in to pallet-out flow. Instead of staging, restacking, or moving product between disconnected operations, pails move continuously through the system with minimal manual intervention. Full pallets of pails are loaded with a fork truck, unwrapped, and automatically depalletized using a multi-pick vacuum tool. The robot removes multiple pails at a time and transfers them directly onto a conveyor, feeding a downstream operation, such as labeling, filling, or another inline process. Designed to handle a variety of SKUs at a rate of 10 pails per minute, the system uses auto-adjusting tooling to accommodate different pail sizes and weights. By automating, the system eliminates manual handling of individual pails and reduces work in process between operations. Product flows continuously, without operators staging or restacking material. A secondary robot is used only to place tier sheets during pallet build. By offloading this repetitive task, the system keeps the primary robot focused on pail handling and maintains consistent throughput. Once a pallet is complete, it is stretch wrapped and discharged for fork truck removal, delivering a streamlined end-to-end pail handling solution. Automating pail handling creates flow, less whip, fewer manual steps, and a process that simply runs.